So I'm in create an assignment. Here you can select the classes. Normally 7th and 8th grade are working at the same level. So you would, in theory, make an assignment for 7th and 8th grade and then 6th grade. So let's make one for 7th and 8th grade. So I would pick the classes. I would title it sight singing number whatever 6 or something. Okay. Then I would give them instructions. Most of them know what to do, and if they don't know what to do by now, then they haven't ever known what to do. So necessarily writing instructions doesn't always pan out, but you can feel free to fill anything out. I always allow unlimited attempts. I don't check this box, complete notification. And for the due date, I'll take whatever class it is. So if it's like a Tuesday, Wednesday, their first class of the week, I'll always make it due like that Thursday. So I always kind of give them a grace day in there. And then it will ask for configuration. Instrument, let student choose. I leave that there for now for 7th and 8th grade. Level, always level 1. Key signature, I always do C major. And that's a note you could write in the student instructions if you wanted that. The first note is do. They should know that, but so C major, and then time signature, I'll do 4/4/3/4. Doesn't matter. And then I normally like to do 4 or 8 measures. 4, and then probably about 80. Countdown, you get 30 seconds to kind of preview it. No metronome, no disappearing measures. I like to do move on each note. I do not check the measure numbers, and I do not do that and not do that. So it will then save. What's important, oh, I guess I didn't do this. So now you can see right there, it says sight singing 6. When a student goes to do it, I always remind them, ours says try it, but theirs says the word launch. If they don't touch the button launch, then you don't get a notification that they did it. So that's really important. I say that every time. When you go into your assignments, click the button that says launch. If they click the button that says start sight singing, it will not connect to this specific assignment. So they have to hit the word launch. And then if you want to preview what it looks like, you're going to hit try it. It's going to ask you to test your microphone. And then this is what I tell kids to do. Instruments is going to pop up. They have to click voice family. And then they're going to click alto. That just guarantees that they're starting at that middle C. So I always tell them voice instrument and alto. And those are the instructions I give them. And then it will prompt their assignment. They're giving their countdown. They've done this a few times. They should know how to do it. I'm sure there will be kids who still do not know how to do this. So that is how you set up a Sight Reading Factory assignment. If you were going to set up for 6th grade, right now we've only done rhythm. So that's where we're at right now with that group. And you and Hala can kind of figure out what that looks like for you guys and what you want to do in the future. So again, you go to assignments, create new, and then you should be able to go from there. All right.